I'm Ron Sealander and welcome to eBits. I'm the Director of Engineering for eSwitch, and today I'd like to introduce to you our TL3265 series. The TL3265 is the surface mount version of our very popular TL1265. As with all of our Tact switches, the TL3265 is a single pole, single throw, momentary switch. This product is vertically actuated and requires an actuation force of 160 grams. The TL3265 has a life cycle rating of 500,000 cycles with a total travel of 0.2 millimeters. There are 5 different LED color options, and this switch can be ordered with or without one of the 2 available caps. Please note, if you do order the switch with one of the caps need to be assembled after your soldering process. If you'd like more information on our TL3265 or any of our other Tact switches, please refer to our website at e-switch.com, and thanks for watching.